So guys, here is a 12 volt charger and 20 volt auto conversion, and the good thing about this charger is quite cheap. This charger have a lot of function. Actually this is called multi-charger, and here you can see some specification, and actually the box is simple, but actually I see a lot of reviews. And the good thing is here you can see the name and some kind of instructions here, technical parameters, blah blah blah. Okay, so this is safety instruction, as you can see, quick. So the good thing is about this charger is only $10. It's only $10 and it can charge up to 7 amp. I will show you detailed review, plus I will show you how is exactly. First I want to, you can see here, battery charger 130 watt. I want to see, is it exactly 130 watt or is just claim. So what I'm going to do, I have an amp meter, so I will check how many amp it's draw. But one thing, because my battery almost full, first I'm going to show you here, there is a battery. This is actually 20 amp power battery and it's almost full. But for quick sample, I'm going to show you, if I connect it, what it shows. The basic thing is, you can see 13 volt, and this is temperature, this is 13 volt, and here's the temperature. Okay, so it's just the touch button here. Let me put the battery on the side. Okay, I don't have to press, just here click. Car, before was motorcycle, means small battery, car is big battery and different kind of, and there is the last one, Agm gel batteries. So you can choose which battery type you have, and then this is untouchable, automatically 12 or 24 volt it detect, depend on your battery, and there is a repair mode. But the main thing is there's a lot of charger, but the build quality quite solid. As you can see, this is not sticker, this is not paint, this is embedded. I can see like a little bit up, and here you can see the computerized code. So the product is not cheap China quality, even it's from China, but the quality and build quality look nice. So if I'm going to open and just quickly turn on the, so you have any idea. Now I'm going to plug in and you can hear the voice for fan. Yeah, fan is on here, but the battery is full, already full. So I can see there's a, when the batteries goes down 100%, then I will click, I will plug with the amp meter, so I can tell you exactly how many amp it's draw. How they say here is 130 amp, but in the real I have to test it. So now the battery is full, already full, so the fan is closed, temperature shows, and battery 000 because it's full already. So I'm going to plug out the charger. The plug is out, so currently it shows the battery amp, and you can see the full indicator is gone because it's not plugged. Now it's on only because of the battery. So the next test I'm going to do, I will drain the battery and I will plug it from battery 50%, because you know that lead acid batteries, if 50% or 40% you have to charge it, you cannot bring 30%. So from 50% I will start charge, and I will check, is it really 140 watt 7 amp, how they describe. So this is VR Tech battery, 12 volt battery charger, and it's just a $10 with a good price, but the product is quite nice. The cable is nice, look nice cable here, and if you see here, the connectors are also quite thick. As you can see, the quality of the connector is really look durable. As you can see, very solid. It's not like a very cheap. So of course these, and even this material look quite strong. So I hope. So next, let's see, I will bring out the battery, drain the battery, and I will plug with the amp watt. Okay guys, so now almost 8 hours I run the fan, but I can't drain much. But I was thinking, let's see. Now the battery voltage exactly, it shows perfectly 12.6 as you can see here, and is the meter also. One probe is here for meter and one is there, and here you can see 12.6 and 12.6 exactly. The voltage is almost the same, so you can read voltage on your, but now I still didn't plug this one, so I'm going to plug and see how many watt actually is draw. So for this I have a watt meter here already. 57 watt is going. So what I'm going to do, I will bring out this charger here and I will plug this and I will see how many amp here, but this one will show the DC amp, I'm sure, and this one will be AC amp, so you can have any at least idea how many amp actually it takes. The battery is 12.6, almost 70%. This battery is still 70% full, so it's not like if less than 50%, I guess the charger will give more power. But let's see, I want to make it quickly finish this thing, so let's on it. Okay, and yeah, start charge, and now you can see from 70, 80. Okay, I will remove again and you can see, okay, it's closed, and now actually you can see, right, 57 watt, 56, 57 watt. So now I'm plug, start, you can hear the beep, 56 to, okay, 55 to 80 watt now, and it shows here 0 amp, 2 amp, and here 88 watt. So 55 to how many watt is that, you can check, almost 25 watt, I think 25, 27, 28 watt so far. I think, I hope it is going to be higher, but so far I can feel 13 volt, but it's not going more than 2 amp so far. Okay, maybe I put on the, as you can see, motorcycle. So when I click here, it's on car now, and okay, 8 amp. Now I'm going to put on Agm gel. So Agm gel, I hope, and here you can see the watt from 88 to 180. It's like more than 130. Yeah, it's really, oh, 8 amp. Yeah, now you can see it's really 8 amp. This is 8.3, actually more than 8 amp. That's really shocking. Actually before it was a motorcycle mode, so it's giving little. So how you can control, and here you can see from actually 55 watt to now 185. It's exactly 130 watt charger. So yeah, very satisfied. This is my review for this charger, and here you can check the volt there, 13.9. 13.9 is giving actually the voltage going. So now this is 14 volt is going, so battery voltage reached to 13, but it's faster charging, very fast actually. So I will not recommend. I will try again on the car. In the car I guess it will be still same amp, still same. Only on the motorbike you can see it's very safe charging, only 2 amp. And here you can see the watt also going down. Now it goes to 2 amp, and now here you can see gradually the watt also going down. Oh, but this side I know my fridge is running, so I put everything. Now I'm going to close, bring out. So currently the fridge is running, compressor is on because I plug my fridge also from the same socket, so 100 watt. And again I'm putting here okay on, then I put it here gel, and now you can see from 100 watt to 228 watt, right? So this is exactly 130 watt charger perfectly. Here you can see how many amp. Yes, and when I bring out this one, you have to go to 100 watt back, so you can hear the voice teen like come out, and now 100 watt. So here you can see now it's perfect, very nice. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a small holes here and put one extra fan. If you like to see that video, let me know in the comment. So I will make an extra fan, because this kind of charger is very useful, but they are mostly destroyed because of heating, because after 8 amp constantly give for 2 hour 3 hour, of course it's gonna be very hot. So I don't want to, and the companies, they want you use for 6 months, 1 year, and after you buy the new one. So I will recommend you make a small hole from the drill, put 12 volt fan on the top, and put hot glue or something. So thumbs up. So now almost 10-minute charging. The good thing about this charger, I like it that automatically detect is 12 volt or 24 volt. And as you can see, when I put on the Agm gel, it automatically the amp goes down. But actually, if I put on the car batteries, the amp will be 8 amp. And another good thing is, as you can see, it shows how many amp already, like almost 10 minute, 1.27 amp already go to the battery. So 1.27, now you can see 1.29 amp. So gradually how many amp it's throw, and it store how many amp, you can see 31 amp. Again it will come the temperature, this is temperature of battery, 1.32 amp already goes to. So for end of, in the last, after 1 hour or 2 hour 3 hour, when the battery will be full, it will show you actually how many amp this, you can see 1.36 now, how many amp already goes to the battery. So I think it's a very solid and very nice VR Tech charger review, and it's not really get hot. It's almost 15. My room temperature is almost 27 centigrade, and really didn't even hot little bit. Even is charging on 7 amp, almost 8 amp is actually full power, but actually it goes to, if you see here, I put on car, it goes actually more than 8 amp, 8.34 amp actually. So this is the good thing. But I put on Agm gel, so it automatically goes slightly down for safety, 7 point, because the car batteries are lead acid, different type, but these are gel, kind of a gel or sealed maintenance free batteries, so they're giving. And the good thing is, it really didn't get any hot from the side, from here, and there is one fan here. I can feel the air blow here, and yeah, really satisfied. There is no hot wires, everything is cold. The wire also here looks solid, not very slim. As you can see, the quality of wire also very nice. So yeah, so far this look nice. So what I'm going to do, I will put an extra fan, and I just make some holes on the back side, and yeah, that's all. So now the battery is down, And here you can see 4 amp. Battery is almost 26 volt, actually 25 volt. And here you can see in the watt meter, 123 watt. So yeah, this test with the 24 volt, and the battery is almost done, as you can see from here. 4 amp charging volt, 29 is centigrade, and 0.33 amp already in the battery.